8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2000!
This message is being sent per the request of the United States government. At this time, if you not did so, turn off all electronic-related devices in your household, aside from this one broadcasting this alert. During the past few minutes right after the year switched to the year 2000, there had been multiple reports of devices across the United States exploding right after the switch had occurred. At this time, we don't know what the cause of why these devices are exploding, but you should take extra precautions immediately to ensure your safety. Turn off any and all electronic-related devices in your household to prevent them from exploding or combusting from the inside out. It is unknown on how we can resolve this, so this will be the only available solution at the moment. Stay tuned for any other emergency alerts that may come through. Normal programming has been suspended until this crisis is over. Stay safe at